These high knee steps, y'all. Whoa. Alright, y'all, so this one's super like zen. Clandestino and Co's one were my favorite. I ain't think I like Co's that much, but I sure did. And this one's cool too. And Lucy's not bad. They was friendly. They did their best. Okay, packaging. Damn, and no fork. I messed up, y'all. Y'all, the way I signed up for a party hostel and a yoga hostel at the end of my trip, and I don't got any of that in me, but I'm excited for the services. She's gonna get the rest of my cash as a tip. It's so hot. Y'all, I'm kind of hype. I was gonna wait till I got to my Busan Airbnb to finish the Singapore and Bali vlogs, but it is dead silent in here. I mean, there's a noise, but like, I don't know, it's not too bad. I might do the voiceovers for the travel channel. Alright, never mind on the voiceovers, y'all. It's a lot of construction. That was a cute little ambitious thing, but I will be finishing the spam vlogs so that way I can get them all scheduled out for y'all. Look at this, y'all. Oh my gosh. It's very eco-friendly here. Good morning. I need to stretch. I stretched a little bit, but hi, good morning. I'm stiff. Oh my gosh. Last night was okay. I got a little emotional because we're 1 month down out of 3 months, and every time I go home, it's just drama. But I think it'll be okay this time. It'll be summer. Also, I'm really glad I stopped vlogging at home, and I gave myself that time back. So I can discover who I am outside of a content creator as well, because I don't want to vlog every single thought.